Guangdong King Han, Long Intelligent Equipment Technology Company Limited, based in Foshan, Guangdong, is a renowned enterprise specializing in the design and manufacturing of advanced packaging machinery. Our 5,000 square meter facility is equipped with 5 state-of-the-art production lines, supported by a dedicated team of 92 employees, including 15 R&D engineers with undergraduate degrees and 10 quality control inspectors. We take pride in our engineering design capabilities, offering comprehensive customization options, such as logo, color, and packaging modifications to meet the unique needs of our clients. Our production process is highly efficient, allowing us to develop and launch new products in a short time frame, ensuring quick turnaround and high-quality results. We produce up to 10 packaging machines daily, achieving impressive annual sales, and have established a strong presence in key markets, including North America, Southeast Asia, and Western Europe. With over 15 years of export experience, we serve a diverse range of clients, from retailers to large manufacturers. All of our products are CE certified and come with a 12-month warranty, reflecting our commitment to top-tier quality and reliability. Our engineers' expertise and dedication to continuous improvement ensure that we remain a leader in the packaging machinery industry, consistently meeting the evolving needs of our global customers. Whether you're looking for customized solutions or reliable high-performance machinery, we are here to help you enhance your production line efficiency. Contact us today to learn more about how we can support your packaging needs and drive your business forward.